Yes.
Wait, with the Lordship, I have filed one reply affidavit to the affidavit in opposition. That is not on record with the Lordship, filed in the morning only.
Reply.
Yes. My lord, there are 2-3 things remaining for the adjudication, my lord, nothing more. The results has been declared. I am not passed. So the only thing remaining for adjudication, whether that criteria additional rider given in the appointment order, that my seniority will be maintained in the lower cadre, shall remain there or not, or that shall be expunged in view of the judgment passed by the division bench. This is the only thing that your lordship has to determine. And so far as the 24/7/2015 notification is concerned, whereby a new clause has been added to the High Court Service Rules, has never been published in any book, first of all. Secondly, there is already a Rule 7.4. Therefore, there cannot be a second Rule 7.4 come into play. Thirdly, my lord, the case of this petitioner, he filed a representation that was placed before a subcommittee of the honorable judges, where it was clearly held, my lord, that condition given in the appointment order cannot sustain. And that recommendation of the, and that honorable subcommittee of the judges also said that since there is a sub-rule 4 rules in Rule 7, that the subcommittee cannot bypass this. Therefore, they recommend that this matter may be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice for appropriate adjudication. And that recommendation was accepted by the Honorable Judges Committee. It's a bigger committee. And it was placed before the Honorable Chief, recommended to place before the Honorable Chief Justice in the month of November 2023. But no final decision has been taken yet. This one conflicting part, that there is already a 7.4 Rule 7.4 in the High Court rules. So there cannot be a second 7.4 Rule 7.4. So the numbering of the rule is in my humble submission, is erroneous. And even if it is for a moment, if Lordship deems it fit, that okay, this number is corrected, presume it for a moment. Then also, subject to the 2 things, that the subcommittee of the honorable judges has already hold that in the administrative side, of course, that this condition cannot remain there, and which has been approved by the division bench judgment in the case of Niroj Sharma.
My lord, those are not the point to be adjudicated. My lord, the case of the read petitioner was there. As per the rules, there is no rules regarding the seniority of the court officer. And my lord, we have produced that annexure 4 to my affidavit in opposition, which is at page 65. My lord, it's clear-cut case. There is a rule, and he has to challenge the rule. This petition is not maintained before the single bench.
I need not to challenge, my lord, because this rule has already been impliedly overruled by the division bench judgment.
No, not at all.
Well, this rule not in existence, my lord. If page 65,
DB case is different, but on different footing.
No.
They did not consider this 7.4 sub rule.
Well, this Rule 7.4 that your lordship can see at page 65, annexure A4, has never been published in any book. Even if, my lord, presume it for a moment, this rule, though it is wrongly numbered, it came into force for a while, my lord. Then also, my lord, division bench, by the order of the honorable division bench, this rule has gone.
This matter.
My lord, of course.
Now, is there any interim order subsisting?
My lord,
No,
my lord,
nothing.
interim order was passed to allow him to appear. He had appeared, my lord, and
Now, my lord,
result was declared.
Uh.
He was not successful. That's all.
There is no
No continuation of
interim order for
Any other candidates? my lord?
no,
operating against any other candidate.
no, my lord.
No.
The that reply. Right. Hi. We have to
Well, if lordship pleases, can any date be fixed?
My lord, here, my lord.
Who are you?
They have no rule, my lord. They have no role to
I-
play. There's an I, my lord.
I, there
But we'll file an objection to this, my lord.
you need I,
My lord, they don't have any rules or role to.
better be listed in the month of September. On a date.
My,
As far as the I is concerned, it's
I'll file an.
application is by I. Taken, claim the interested party. And pay for the carried as party respondent. Who is by the IA? Where are the names?
Application number 150.
Huh?
Page number one.
Number 2. Phase 2. Phase 2 of the IA.
You see,
2291. It will not.
yeah,
It will Amit Falkar I too.
Give it.
There are two I's.
I, I, the applicant. TV number. How are you agreed? Why do you want to be implemented? Here, claim that they are senior to the petition is the petitioner. One of the prayers of the petition for correction of the petition case.
No, my lord, my grade is a different grade, my lord. I am a court officer. They are administrative officers, judicials and SJ, some of them on SJ. I'm not in their cadet. My cadet is court officer. They are not court officer. How dare prejudice? I don't understand. I'll file an objection, my lord. Lordship will grant me some time. They're all their administrative officers, judicial. And applicant number 15 is a court master.
You are now a court master,
A court officer.
officer.
Court officer.
court
It's a
officer.
different
Which is
cadet.
at a higher grade,
My lord,
different grade,
different cadet.
different cadre.
Yes. Schedule 1.
Schedule 1.
That
No.
grade. Not will be thick, you know. Here, every. If you wanted it fast. Very serious. By seeking treatment. Company. 7.
1 only. 1.
So you represent the office part number 4. And after represent part three.
And-
No, I'm 4.
Returnable to the meanwhile the respondent of the parties are
Except
this is I along with
ছেপ্টেম্বৰত কেতিয়া ডেট কৰিব বেয়া কথা ক'লে নে এতিয়া বন্ধু আহি গ'ল আজি কৰে। তোমালোকে ইমান time লাগে। আহিলেও কৰে। Yes.